Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a photo background on Instagram stories. So it's very simple. You just have to choose a photo or post you want to share on Instagram stories and just click on this paper plane and just click on this add to story. So this is the story platform, and you just have to click in the smiley square icon in the top, and here you need to scroll down and just click on this add. So right after that you just have to click on any photo you want to keep it a background. So I'm going to keep this on the background, so move this little bit down, make sure you don't delete this and keep it full screen. Make sure you don't delete the post and drag this over the photo. So in this way you just can just add background to your story. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more content. Thank you.